Love is in the air. What is love? Hi there, my name is Alice, and today we're going to talk about love. Today I will give you a lot of useful words and expression to talk about this beautiful feeling. So, what is love? Love is a feeling of deep affection for someone. There are many types of love: unconditional love of parents for their children, love of friends and equals, passionate love, a love of mankind. Or there is puppy love. What is puppy love? It's very intensive adolescent love when your partner and you are very young and you think that the process is the whole world for you now. To ask someone out. When you like someone, you ask this person out. That means that you invite this person to go to the restaurant, to cinema, to a walk. When this person agrees to go out with you, so you go out with this person. To go out. If you are in America, you will ask someone on a date or to go out on a date with someone. A date. A date is social or romantic appointment or engagement. A blind date. What is a blind date? Is when somebody organizes a date for you and you meet the person for the first time on the date. So you don't see the person you're going to meet before the date. A double date. A double date is a date involving two couples. So you're going to the restaurant or cinema or theater with somebody else. Two couples going out together. Dating sites. Sometimes people they are too busy to meet someone in a real life or they are too shy to talk to someone and they get to know someone online on dating sites. Sometimes they start long distance relationship. Long distance relationship is when you've got relationship with someone who lives far away from you. To love at first sight. To love someone at the first sight is when you fall in love with someone when seeing it for the first time. So you meet a person and you fall in love. A match made in heaven. A match made in heaven is an idiom and it means a great couple or a perfect match. We can use this expression to talk about very successful relationship. For example, I can say my parents, they are match made in heaven. They have been together more than 40 years and they are so happy to be together. They can't imagine their lives without each other. So they are a perfect match. They are a match made in heaven. To be an item. When your partner and you are an item, that means that you've got official relationship. For example, my boyfriend and I were an item. So that means that we've got official relationship. The next expression is to be head over heels in love. To be head over heels in love means to be in love with someone. To pop the question. To pop the question is to propose to someone. For example, last night my partner and I, we went for dinner and I was surprised when he popped the question. So he proposed to me. To get engaged. To get engaged is when somebody popped you the question and you agreed to get married. So when you agree to get married, you get engaged. And since this moment, you are engaged. So to be engaged, this is your state. Now you are engaged. First you get engaged, then you are engaged, and then you get married. For example, Mark and Alice got engaged in January, and then they got married in summer. For how long have you been married? My husband and I, we have been married for more than 15 years. The next phrase is to tie the knot. To tie the knot is to get married. For example, my husband and I, we tied the knot 15 years ago. That means that we got married 15 years ago. To have an affair. To have an affair is to have a relationship with somebody else when you are married. So to have a relationship out of your marriage. So normally when one of the partners has an affair, this couple splits up, so separates. The next expression is an idiom, to be on the rocks. When we're saying that our relationship is on the rocks, that means that we've got a lot of problems and issues. So our relationship is not nice or smooth. And there is a possibility that we split up or we break up with our partner if we don't sort our problems out. To divorce. If partners can't solve their issues out, they normally divorce. To divorce is to dissolve your marriage or to stop your relationship. This is the end of our video. Please fall in love, love each other, and I wish you would never have to divorce.